Now we'll write code for block transfer. So I will start with the new project. New project. We'll give one name. Serially I am giving just the names with initial SPK so as to remember it, nothing else. I think I missed it. At mail, just by mistake. So we want 89C51. Let us select the target device. Now OK. This is no. Now go to file, new file. I will write code for block transfer. So from one memory address we will be saving the block of few numbers. Block transfer. Here I will just mention write code to transfer block of 5 numbers from starting location address 40H to location starting with 50H. So this is 50H. So what we have is from 40 we have one block, 5 numbers are there, and we want to transfer those 5 numbers to location starting from 50. This small code. This is one of the most general kind of a say application. Many a times for sending something from one particular address to another address, we may want to perform some operations like where we want particular address. So in that case definitely we can do this kind of a block transfer. This is just a simple thing, that is data transfer from one location to another location, set of numbers. So here intentionally I have transferred the block to 30H. From that I am writing my code. Not mandatory, just I am showing you. So we get the scratchpad memory 30H to 7F, our basic scratchpad memory, so that our locations, if suppose the SFRs from that and some addresses we want to modify or update from 0H to 2F. So we don't want to disturb that, because earlier locations are all associated with memory banks, and from 20 to 2F again there are some special purpose registers and other applications they may need in real-time applications. So conventionally for small programs we can go for just the scratchpad memory which starts with 30H. So therefore I have taken this control to 30H, nothing else, no other reason. So one by one, first of all I will type the program and then we will have comments on that, what exactly is written. Source address 40H we are using. Say for example any counter, any register you can use so as to save the counter. This is my 05 is a counter. Now I will write one loop so as to repeat same block transfer number transfer activity, comma, at the rate. So in direct addressing I am using R0, enter, move at the rate R1 comma A, enter, increment source address pointer, that is R0, increment destination address pointer, that is R1, decrement the counter, say R7 comma, and give the target address, and jump, shift $7 and end. Just I will write here comments so that you will better understand. This is source address pointer. Here it is destination address pointer. This is counter indicating set of 5 numbers. Okay, then let me okay here. Now copy data from source address to accumulator. Copy accumulator contents to destination. Okay. Then increment source address and increment destination address. Here I will say decrement counter that is not indicated by R7 register, R7, and repeat till it becomes 0. Okay, now I will save this first of all. So save, I will give the name block transfer and dot ASM. No need to, I just don't want to attach that ASM. Okay, save. Now first of all take it into the source group. So right click, add file. It is our name, block transfer.asm. Select that file, add it. Now close this window, go here, block transfer. Now build the code first of all. If any error is there, it will show. There is no error. So now it is okay. Now what we have to do, first of all we have to give the set of numbers. So for that we will start debug menu. So here I will make it start, and now from address, so our address is d:40h. Okay, so here one by one, first of all I will give the numbers. So total 5 numbers. Modify, here you give the number. Say for example I will give 1 1, any number, just 5 numbers we want. So here I am giving, instead of 1 1 it is showing you 0b. So why it is, okay, I don't want to confuse you. Once again simple numbers I will type so that it will not confuse you. Say 2, okay, and go here because it is going to convert it hexadecimally. That may create confusion again, those who are watching video. So I don't want to confuse them. So better is to give small numbers. Say 8, any number. Fourth number is suppose 5, and then fifth number, so that is say 7. Fine. Now it is okay. So our numbers have been given, and now one by one we will go for single statement. Just see. So this is first instruction. Second, transfer. Now here you can see R0 register. So it is pointing to 40h, that is address pointer, source address. Next, R1 is pointing to 50. You can see here. Next, R7 is containing the counter, that is 05. Next, so accumulator A. Now what is the instruction? Where is the pointer? Just see, move a comma at the rate R0. So whatever memory address pointed by this address pointer indicated by this R0, it is pointing to 40h address, and 40h address is containing 02 as a first number. So that number is copied into accumulator. So see here, it is in accumulator. Now once again, next, now from that accumulator the number is copied to R1 address. So here you can see here is a register set. Here it is your actual memory, data memory section. So this 02 is copied to 50, that address. Instruction is from accumulator, now it is copied to the address pointed by R1 register. Fine. And one by one it will do. Next, increment, R0 is incremented. Next, R1 is incremented, you can see here. Next, counter is decremented. Next number is taken, see here 03. Next, it is copied. You can see in this memory window also simultaneously. You just go on observing. Next, third, counter is now decremented 3. Next number is copied, that is 8, that is copied. You can see here in the memory window. Then next, again address pointer incremented, R0 incremented, R1 incremented, data is copied, counter is decremented. Now this data is 5, so that is taken here, okay, and that is copied. Now next one, see here, 2 is copied, 3 is copied, 8 is copied, 5 is copied. Now last number, so we will again increment pointer 54, counter is 01. Next number, last number 07 is taken into accumulator. here, and now once again it will go on doing the same thing. You can see the control, the loop, how it is getting executed. So see here, now the last address 55, but the counter has become 0. Now just see here how the jump instruction is. You observe that green bar quickly, so it is coming down. There is no loop back. Over, counter is 0. All the 5 numbers are transferred. Finish, end. Over. So this is a simple task of block transfer. If you have block of set of numbers, you can transfer from one set to another locations consecutively, or if you want some sort of in between also, some increment or something, that also you can do. So thank you. In the next program we will do block exchange, that is from one window to another window, or from one source addresses sequence to some other, and again we will interchange. So that kind of block exchange operation I will demonstrate you. For this, it is just the block transfer. Thank you.